In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Spaces by Wix account. If you're ready to part ways with your Wix account and want a straightforward guide, you're definitely in the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process to ensure that you can easily and effectively delete your account. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. This might seem obvious, but it's an important step because you need to be logged in to access any account-related settings. Make sure you use your credentials that are associated with the account you want to delete. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's always the option to reset it before you proceed further. Next, once you're logged in, you'll want to open your website. By this, I mean navigate to your Wix dashboard where you can manage all your sites. This access is necessary because we need to delve into the account settings through your profile that are found here. Now, with your dashboard open, it's time to tap on your profile icon. Typically, you'll find this in the upper right corner of the page. It's usually represented by a thumbnail or an avatar image. If you have trouble locating it, take a moment to look closely because it's the key to getting into the next steps. With your profile menu open, you'll need to look for and select the option that says Manage Account Settings or something similar. This is where Wix stores all your account management tools, including the ones relevant for deleting your account. Within the account settings, it's time to find the Delete Your Account option. This can sometimes be a bit tricky to spot right off the bat, so take your time to explore the available options. If it's not immediately visible, try scrolling through the page as this setting might be placed toward the bottom or under a subsection. Finally, once you've found the Delete Your Account option, simply tap on it. Wix will guide you through a series of prompts and instructions to confirm that you really wish to delete your account. Be sure to read these carefully. Deleting an account means that you will lose access to all your sites and any associated data. You might be presented with a confirmation email or asked additional security questions, so have all your information ready to ensure a smooth process. And there you have it. Deleting a Spaces by Wix account can be done efficiently by following these steps. Should you change your mind, remember that account deletion is permanent, so consider creating backups of any important information beforehand. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free.